If you're planning an international trip and need to order foreign currency ahead of time, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly order foreign currencies from Chase Bank, whether you're traveling for business or vacation or any other reasons. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you can either use the Chase mobile app or go to the Chase website by typing in www.chase.com. Now, after that, simply once you're in the home page, click on sign in button and log into your Chase account. Enter your username and password to get started. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can also sign up for it. And after you've logged in, navigate to the foreign currency order section, and you can also use the search bar at the top of the page to type foreign currency and find the link directly. Once you're on the foreign currency orders page, you'll be prompted to choose which foreign currency you need and the amount you want to order. Chase offers a wide range of currencies including euro, British pound, Japanese yen, and more. Before you proceed, make sure to check the availability of the currency. Additional fees may apply when ordering currency. Chase will show you any service fees for your transaction, so be sure to review them before confirming your order. Next, you'll need to select a delivery method for your currency order. Chase typically offers two options, that is pick up in person and home delivery. Once you've selected everything, simply confirm it and wait for the delivery. And that's it. That's how you simply order foreign currency through Chase Bank app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.